Welcome to the Entrepreneur Learning Series by Skilled MBA. In this session, we explore the 5 essential questions that venture capitalists ask when evaluating startups for funding. Based on insights from investor Hilt Tatum Fua, we'll focus on what founders must demonstrate: team strength, market opportunity, traction, financial literacy, and risk mitigation to impress investors and secure funding in this highly competitive environment. VCs aren't magical sources of capital. Here's the reality: not magical money. VCs are strategic investors, not grant givers. Highly competitive. Most startups are rejected during the evaluation process. More money, but more scrutiny. The bigger the funding request, the more thorough the review. Founders must drop illusions. Securing VC funding requires strategy, clarity, and preparation. VCs prioritize team over idea. Here's what they seek: proven track record, experience in startups, not just large firms, domain expertise, deep knowledge of the target industry, clear growth plan, how you'll scale the team as the company grows. A strong team with average ideas can outperform weak teams with brilliant concepts. Investors fund execution, not theory. To attract VC trust, identify key roles. Define essential positions for success. Recruit domain experts. Bring in industry veterans with startup mindsets. Create expansion plan. Show a 12-month hiring strategy tied to milestones. Clearly articulate how your team's experience aligns with your business needs and how you'll fill remaining gaps. VCs look for scalable businesses in large, addressable markets. They expect market size. Is the TAM big enough to support exponential growth? Market fit. Does your solution solve a specific, validated pain point? Customer segments. Who are your users, and what do they need? Competitive landscape. Do you understand key players and threats? A thorough market understanding is a must. Break down your opportunity like this: TAM, total addressable market; the full market size; SAM, serviceable available market, the portion you can realistically target; SOM, serviceable obtainable market, what you can capture in the short term. Support your analysis with credible data. Show how market trends align with your business strategy. Traction validates your model. MVP built. Do you have a working product? Customer validation. Any pilot or paying users? Roadmap. Are you incorporating user feedback into your evolution? VCs want proof that your idea works in the real world. Use this framework. Build. Launch MVP with core features. Validate. Gain early users and feedback. Iterate. Improve based on insights. Scale. Grow with confidence. Present real metrics. Engagement, revenue, partnerships, not vanity numbers. VCs expect financial literacy. Founders must explain. KPIs. What key metrics drive your business? Projections. Are your forecasts detailed, logical, and realistic? Cash flow. Do you understand burn rate and runway? Beyond the numbers, show how you'll use investment wisely. Know and articulate. Metric. Why it matters, how to show it. CAC measures. Growth efficiency. Show marketing cost per acquisition. LTV signals long-term value. Show revenue per customer over time. Burn rate reveals cash risk. Show monthly cash burn. Gross margin. Shows model. Strength show profit after direct costs. Know what your metrics mean and how they compare to industry standards. Investors want proactive thinkers. Be prepared to identify risks. What could go wrong? Mitigate. What's your plan if it does? Monitor. How will you track and respond? Types include market shifts, supply chain issues, operational breakdowns, and funding gaps. A solid approach includes risk identification, map out business vulnerabilities, risk assessment, gauge likelihood and impact, mitigation plans, define countermeasures, monitoring systems, track and refine strategies. Transparency paired with preparedness builds investor trust. To succeed in the room, practice your pitch. Rehearse, record, refine. Prepare docs. Have decks, projections, market research, and team bios ready. Know the VC. Tailor your pitch to their thesis, portfolio, and values. Being ready signals professionalism and respect. The process includes initial screening, reviewing pitch decks and executive summaries, founder meetings, virtual or in-person pitches, due diligence, deep dive into team, product, market, and legal, term sheet, final offer if all checks out. Be prepared at every stage, not just the first meeting. To raise funding successfully, build a strong team, show expertise in hiring plans, target large markets, prove size and demand, show real traction, highlight MVP and validation, master your finances, know your numbers and what they mean, mitigate risks, show awareness and strategy. Confidence, clarity, and preparation are your greatest fundraising tools. Thank you for engaging with Mastering the VC Funding Game. 5 Essential Questions, presented as part of the Entrepreneur Learning Series by Skilled MBA. Venture capital isn't luck. It's preparation meeting opportunity. By answering these 5 questions with precision, you position your startup as a credible, investable business. We hope this session equips you to pitch with confidence and secure the resources you need to grow.